G'day, it's Ash from Jetmaster, and today we're doing a walkthrough of the Jetmaster Universal Firebox. So the Universal Firebox is the first product that we brought into Australia 40 years ago. Tried and tested. The design of the fireplaces actually hasn't changed in that 40 years, which is true testament to the design of the product itself. Construction of the fireplace is vitally important. With the Jetmaster Firebox, you've got a thick gauge steel inside there, which is covered by a 10-year warranty. The design of the firebox as well is very unique. It's what we call a heat circulating fireplace. So it has a convection air coming in from down below, and that's circulating and bringing air out through the top lever that we've got at the top there as well, which is giving you not only radiant heat from the fire itself, but convection heat from the actual system as well. So the Jetmaster Firebox uses what we call a log pan system, which is very different to a log grate inside there. What that does is it protects the longevity of the firebox itself. It also makes the fire easier to start because you're going to be starting on a layer of coals as opposed to just straight steel or a grate. So when Jetmaster was first introduced into Australia, it was primarily used as a product to go inside your house, so either as a heat build or into an existing fireplace. Since that time, we're seeing the adaptation of these products going into outdoor areas and alfresco areas, just purely because of the radiant heat that comes out of it and the pure structural integrity of the firebox itself for outdoor construction. Today we're sitting in front of a 1200 Universal Jetmaster. That 1200 represents the opening size, so 1.2 metres wide. Size ranges we have all the way from 400 to 1500 wide fireboxes, so there's a firebox to be able to suit an application that's required inside your house or outside your house. The beauty of the Jetmaster system is that it makes installing an open fronted fireplace simple. With its box, gabber and flue design, it means that putting in a fireplace doesn't rely on the brickwork being absolutely perfect. It just means that you're going to have a fireplace that can draw every time. Jetmaster's unique design means that using a box, gabber and flue system, you're guaranteed the fireplace is going to be able to draw as opposed to building a full brick masonry fireplace. This installation here is into a Hebel block wall, but you can also install this into what we call a zero clearance format, making it perfect to be able to go into a combustible timber frame. The really unique thing about the Jetmaster Firebox and where it differentiates itself from other open fireplaces on the market is that it can go into an existing fireplace and not have to flue the existing chimney. That's because of the unique design at the top of the firebox, which allows any of the creosote or impurities to drop back into the firebox and burn, making it completely safe. The Jetmaster Firebox is perfect for an alfresco area. The heavy steel construction inside the unit and the convection system that's in there gives it a massive amount of radiant heat. So when you're trying to heat an area which is open to the elements and outside, it's perfect for that type of scenario. Installing a Jetmaster fireplace into your outdoor alfresco area extends the usability of your outdoor area. So instead of just being able to do it in shoulder seasons, you can go and start using it in the winter as well. All Jetmaster Firebox have a damper system on them as well, so you do have a control over the speed of the fireplace. All Jetmaster Firebox comes with the option of a removable screen. That's great because once you're done for the night, you can pop the screen onto the fireplace and not worry about any sparks coming out into the ground. Jetmaster's tried and tested convection system combined with the rollback in the unit means that you get 4 times more efficiency out of the fireplace than what you would out of a standard brick open fireplace. So if you're looking at increasing the efficiency of your existing open fireplace or want to extend the life of your outdoor alfresco area, look for a Jetmaster open wood burning fireplace. For more information on the product, go to www.jetmastervic.com.au. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.